ago. Cause it just come like it hit a nerves. People, let me tell you this. Death is a must. Nobody no want dead. I mean, I live for dead. You see me? Can't remember say you can't go to your bed. The wickedest thing in when you go to your bed, you don't know if you're going to wake up. You don't know if you're going to wake up. Cause a lady them know, man. Tell her I say me I go which part she I go with my friend, man. Yo, God no. Yeah, people. When I know when I come on, I come talk foolishness. We have to come talk the truths and rights. And health is the most important thing. Health. Health. And don't try to prove nothing to nobody. Don't try to prove nothing to nobody. Anything what them have in them chest that them done have in there already. Don't waste your energy and try to prove blood clot. People say, I know so you stay. Anything what them want to believe, make them believe. Cause remember them say some breed of things about me to pussy clot. Some breed of things when me hear about myself and me laugh. I laugh. I laugh. I laugh. And when me I try to show you again, we are living in a time where we know say we bills have to pay. You can't be too dependent on a person. Because you have to remember say sometimes the burden bearer need to put on the burden too. Need to put on and just, you know, revamp. Just like when I say someone they are foreign now work 3 and 4 jobs. To take care of everybody in the family. Never you blood clot feel like say nobody can do without you. You hear? Don't you ever feel that. Because they will survive. It might be rough. But remember, it was easier when you were around. So them would say, okay, she did it and she go do it. Or him go do it. But when it come on to you, you know, so you have to do it for yourself. You hear me tell you? Right now, the life for me I live, I'm living a very good life. I never live a bad life. I grow up nice. I grow up come see my great granny. I grow up come see my grandfather, my granny, my uncle, my family and love grow me. I grow up off a survival. Super Polo. Super Leo. Yeah man, me I come to New York come play about music early this year. Early this year. Me I tell you say me I come back. Remember I like me stop playing music, you know, those visa issue me did have, you see me. I don't know when you have a visa issue, it make it look like say nothing nah go on because you know depend enough of the little local thing them we are going where you used to depend. And the world want to see you. So having a visa make it more easier for you to traverse. You know, and everybody don't know say our main market is America as DJs, as selectors, as entertainers. So when a man no see I take the plane and I go to Florida and I go to New York, it's like man I say yo nothing I go on you mash up. But you don't know sometimes something if you happen your foot get your ankle ring and ever broke your foot, broke your ankle just ring. But you don't know a New Year we don't know, you see me? So look out for it in a New York. We have something lined up. You see me? We have something lined up. Remember say we have age now, you know. One of the wickedest thing one time people used to call me. Walk and talk. One of the wickedest thing when people used to call me and want to book me. Because people call me from America every day. I have data Panama City I wait for me. I have data Miami I wait for me. I have data Fort Lauderdale I wait for me. I have data New York I wait for me. I have data like Hawaii I wait for me. I tell you no. Because I remember this, you know. Talent no sell half a tree road, you know. Just like how you see me go and buy fabric, you know. I make nobody chicken and I like say Richie dead for hungry. Mother no see me rosy. And no see me look. And no see me skin tone. Dazzle, you know say data Atlanta they there wait for me, right? You know. Yeah, I'm a fat. Everybody knows I'm a fat, but me healthy. So you love bring me down. That's time I tell you, say me I gotta bring you down, you know. Yeah, so you love bring me down, everything good, man. You know they down there wait for me. I want to know people. All you need, man, is health and strength, man. Everything is possible, man. Everything is possible. May I tell you? Don't know. Big up my friend Spice. She know me love her. I'm a friend that. I don't know, you can't visit me and her. That's my friend. Remember, so she have a journal. So anybody who... Every woman need a journal. Man need journal too, but every woman need a journal. So I want you to go and Spice. Amazon, just go on Amazon and order Spice journal. You see me? Big up all of the Spice people, them really love Spice. Because you have some people who love Spice. While you have some people, them can't stand Spice because of our success. And when you're successful as a get-up hungry girl, worse them love talk about you're black and ugly. Remember, say black is blood clot beautiful. And I always tell people that black is very beautiful. You never see some melanin people down in Africa yet. When them blood cleat smile or them teeth white and pretty, them skin tone make them make millions just because of them blackness. Proud of your blackness, people. Now follow people. Love your skin tone. If you love your skin that you're in. Because the first thing that them a tell about you're black. You're black and ugly. You're black and ugly. And them body shame you're big and fat and sour. Remember, me is one of the nicest, sweetest fat man you will ever come across. And me admit say me fat, but remember me clean. And we no come on and come brag about vanity. Because me I tell you say most of the people them cuss and I tell you say you're big and fat and sour. If you and them, if me and them ever go a doctor right now, me I tell you say 2 a week I go in and 1 a week I go come out on a ball. And me know no me I go come out on a ball. Me I tell you. Ask anybody who come across with your feelings. Them say we feisty. Remember, as a killer fella say, you know, we not hype. But we bossy. Because as a black man, you feel bossy. I mean, if I look on life like that, you feel bossy. Them say you feel humble, but you have to have like a bossiness, boy. You have to be proud of yourself. And you know how you carry yourself. Take pride in how you carry yourself. As a black woman, you know, for hype, but you feel bossy. You feel have some little cockiness, boy. You understand? And stand up and know, say, I want to you. No enough. What I do. Feel like when you can chat to me certain way and deal with me certain way. No be the footstool for nobody. I want to you. I remember say, age come with experience. You never know, so we live to the age of even 30. You understand? A years me realize say humble calf dead for hungry. Because them used to tell us say humble calf suck the most milk. A lie. Humble calf dead for hungry. I bet there be a bossy calf. Yeah, people. See my jacket, them man.
Hello, people.
Don't know a new year, you know. We have pushed the business.
Focus on them properly.
We have pushed the business far this year, you know. Remember that, you know. Because I feel like we are going to work for people forever, so, you know. We have to have our own business, you know, be an entrepreneur, you know. So you don't know people. I want to go up on my daughter page. OAB Designs. She make bonnets and robes. She make pillowcase. You understand? I want to go up on her page and support her. We not beg people, but me ask you if you kindly go up on her page. Remember, a 2 years, this is a year I go make 3 years our business I go. You understand? In 2020 she look at me and tell me say she want a skill. Because she have this big degree, I just have it so. Have this big degree, yeah. I just have the degree and I just hear she said, Dad, I want a skill. You hear me say? I remember, boom, a 3 year the business gone. I try to mash up the business all the time and the business now mash up. All me I tell you, say, no buy nothing from her. The business, yo, God no. The business gone past me. I have to load the business. Them say if you can't beat the business, join the business. So, you don't know. See how you always ready for talk to and promote our business. Remember me have to promote you, you know. Even though you have a jacket, you don't know. You have no jacket?
We have a jacket.
You have a jacket? You know you have a jacket, missy. So nobody make it look like say you have a jacket. Look at me and look at she. Right? Jacket.
We can't even bother to put on the table.
Right? You don't know. Yeah, I look at jacket and thing. Sometime I love you and another time I don't really like you.
You always love me. What do you mean?
Oh, you mean me always love you? How Whitney Houston sing the song there? You think me a Whitney Houston? But I'll always love you. Me don't know about that.
You can't say anything you want to say, you know.
Me don't know about that. And when I look at ratings from you, but just know say, yeah, my jacket.
Oh yeah?
You understand? Puffy, I'm my son, and you are my jacket.
Yeah?
And that you have to know. And just know say, me have a little one when named Spongy. And you don't know Spongy, I'm a real pitney. And you, and I'm a real pitney.
Sure.
How you feel about that?
Okay, no.
You feel okay?
Yeah.
I like when you feel okay about Spongy. And you never meet Spongy yet.
Please.
You think you not meet Spongy? You have to meet Spongy. How you feel?
I make scrunchies, okay?
Hear her about she makes scrunchies. Then that's why me name the baby Spongy. Because I know you make Spongy. Me gonna need to make a liquor. Daddy and me for her.
Daddy and me?
Yeah, a daddy and me. You have to make a daddy and me robe.
That's funny.
Oh, you mean it's funny? You have to go make a daddy and me 2 bonnet. One for me and one for my new pitney. You hear she a knock up on a go and her feeling she a getting up people. And she a big woman. She a go like she don't want me get no more pitney. But me don't get my next pitney already. I eat that fishy. I eat that fishy. Remember that. Anyway, tell them about OAB. I make them know about the business car. You don't know how I go do this year for the business car. You don't know.
Hi people. Jeez, I'm gonna feel so put together, but
I reckon
that's
just
one of them
come from.
days there.
You put together.
People, the business is going to be super big this year. So with all of the engagements and proposals, I'm planning to do an expansion on my business where I'm going to be making bridesmaids proposal boxes and maid of honor proposal boxes where people can tailor the box specifically to suit their need. So guys, it's coming. I'm so excited to make the boxes and you guys will see them soon. I'm also planning to venture into candle making. I went to a candle making workshop and I was so excited, and it really easy, but that's what I like. YouTube is there. I really started my business by watching YouTube videos. I mean, it never easy. Wasn't a walk in the park, but I mean, when you put your mind to something and you really want to achieve it, you gotta just commit yourself to doing it until you reach a point where you feel like, yeah, mama can make something out of this. And that's what I did with my business. Every time I try to learn something new, I just realize, say, all right then, it now work out, this not the good, but I still try and learn what might go wrong and fix it. Even last night, I was making a satin bag for the first time, and I watched several videos, you know, and the first video I watched on a satin bag, you know, but it's so funny that the one I watched yesterday explained it so simply. I mean, say, all this time I watch videos and I just couldn't find nothing where I stick, and that one here just sounds so easy. I'm gonna do it and it turned out so good. So I'm going to add satin boxes to my product offering. I just feel really excited about 2024. There's a lot I'm looking forward to business wise, and just stay tuned. Here.
You hear that? Me have a scream for her and ball out for her. Remember, Are you forced to ball out and rail up for your pitney? I want to feel like we have to ball out for them. All when them a jacket. Cause remember sometime at the jacket them come do the right thing. What you mean, oh, she speaks so sweet? What you mean? My big delegate that town I talk about. I don't know joke thing. No, me not just a tell you no. Oh, my big university pitney. I feel like a them thing we're supposed to boast about. But more time we can't even brag because when you talk about your pitney too much, people have problem with it. I know we make you not spend the time with your pitney and push your pitney and do the right thing for your pitney. You understand? Remember, everybody has every different mind, you know. The dedication we have to spend with the youth, you spend it on girl and gone and the girl. And that's the thing when you found to go wrong. No time at all and not spend. Look on her. She a jacket. Remember she have her license, you know. She if you drive me around, you know. But she tell me if you drive her around. Because the people them think you don't have the license. You have license and her license all.
My license is 3 years old.
I know 1 year. A 3 year. I remember I drive, she drive feet. Type in OAB design and pin it. Because we have to promote the business this year. You have to mind me.
Why am I type foolishness?
You don't remember your page?
No, not that.
So pin it now.
How do that?
Click on it.
I feel like an old lady. Old phone man.
Jesus Christ. Don't know, she don't really understand this something. It's a pin there, you click on it and it's a pin the comment. And you see it up there now,
Yeah,
pin?
see it.
Yeah, welcome to this thing. You don't understand.
I don't do live like that.
You don't have to do no live. I'm alive. God is not dead, but he's alive. I'm going with a crocus bag of thing. Then, so yeah, people, I tell you, so you have to push the youth them as far as them want to go. Anything them want to venture in, you support them. As long as it's nothing illegal. And remember again, you have to tell the youth them to always tread the right road. Always show respect. Show respect to the garbage man. Don't play no work. This is the next thing that a plague our society. Imagine now. Your child pass for a high school. Maybe it's not traditional like the Queens and the Immaculate and you know Excelsior and all of these places, and your youth pass for Norman Manley. Right away, you start cussing Norman Manley. Remember, it's still a school. They teach it's the same syllabus there at all the schools. I understand the stigma that is at all these schools. Because again, your child will get distracted by the company they keep. Because your child will go to school to learn and she get distracted or he get distracted by many other things. Where you say what you have for men? Bonnets and robes. Then man now wear bonnets and robes. Remember man with braid
So them a soon start selling shorts.
and she said she soon start sell shorts or shorts. Remember you know. My big bright daughter you know. Remember saying enough time when the people them book me for the things them you know. She a one of my secretary them you know. I want to feel like when you can't come send me anything and I can't read it good and I send it, go give me daughter and say tell me what this mean. How that me send her go to school for? If you don't want the world to know so you can't read or write good, go to your child. Because you send your child go to school to come help you. Now you hear me talk about she for mind me. She can't mind me. A joke me I make. She can't mind me. Because I don't want nothing from her. I would love how she help herself and stand up on her foot. I'm proud to see how she can pop out her card and pay for her piece of Jesus and not beg me nothing. I feel good to say. She not beg me for nothing. As that you raise them for. You send them go to school and them do the time and the effort and the whole of the something. Because she could have go fail. She go fail. Remember when she got Queens? Remember she passed. She got Irish girl first. Then she got New Day. And then she passed from New Day and passed to Queens. And when she passed to Queens, first farm, second farm, third farm, 4th farm, 5th farm, 6th farm, right? And she do CXC. And when she do CXC, I think 8 subjects she did do, and she get 8 of them. Then she got upper 6. And where do her upper 6?
Same 8 cape.
Cape, she do cape, right? And she do 8 cape and she get 8 of them. So that's 16. Right? So 16 subject that right there, so my pitney have. Them time there, me not even have 1. Right? And then she go a UA. I remember them fight my daughter too, you know. Remember one wicked teacher fight all my pitney, you know. She another teacher, they do again.
We're talking on hall, my floor mates.
No man, not up a UA. Not up a UA. Up a Queens. When you did apply for the school and them talk about.
Oh,
remember my daughter was head girl at Queens, you know. Deputy head girl, you know. Cause them fight her out of the head girl position. Remember my daughter a big thing. Me don't want to feel like saying a joke thing, you know, people. Me have to brag over my daughter and go on over her, you know. My daughter not a regular thing. My daughter run Queens already. And when she go up a UA, them fight her up there. Cause she did apply for something and them talk about she go like she better than people. She not better than people. When you come meet me and my daughter,
oh my God.
I fight, me ready for fight 2 of them. Come see my daughter face makeup. I'm say, yo, whom for go up to go war with? And she say, no, daddy love them. When you can't stay there, ramping my daughter when you see something there. Say, I don't want to change my skin. Just change my skin. I want naked. And go up there and show them how me embarrass it. I don't feel like when you can't embarrass my pity, but you can't embarrass me. Me embarrass myself. Them fight her and she take it to heart. I'm say, don't give up my child. So it go. Strongest soldier will always get the hardest fight. Anything good, don't come easy. You can't stay there and feel like a joke thing. Me want naked. Me want naked from town got Portmore for my pitney. I make the people them say, oh Richie, I want to Richie. I want to Richie. Yeah man. Go ask want to Richie. Me a madman. You can't stay there, yeah? You don't know who is Richie, man. There's nothing one can say about me for mash me up. Nothing. I mash up already. But they don't know, say I to the day, yeah. Remember one time, you know, she got Queens and I pick her up every evening and I did there foreign. And she said, I miss my father, because my father would have come carry me home. Here, one girl. Where always beg me for carry her, for drop her home. I miss her always, because she love beg for people, you see. She love beg for people. Daddy, you know, she's going near us. You can drop her, and I drop this girl in her yard. And then me not there for drop home my pit here, you know. Your love depend on your father though. You depend on your father too much. But yet still at the same father, she asks for drop her yard. The same father, you know, that will just show you how people stay. So that's what I'm telling you, say jealousy. Jealousy is a thing. We have to pay attention to all of these things. Because remember, you know, me say love depend on her father. But the same father, what you tell us that she love depend on, you are depend on him to drop you, make it easier for you to say now to take bus. You see how people stay? Lucky she lucky him never cuss her out. Don't know your youth, but just love them and say, no you do, yeah? But you know, don't know. I have to brag over my pitney. And when it come on to my son now, I have to brag over my son. Because I remember no one pitney, I have to brag over my son, you know. Because watch this now. I remember when my son did younger, he might try all kind of things. He run away. Run away. And par with boy. After him father now par with boy. I remember when at the time I said I go send him a proof school, juvenile center. I remember my friend them said, no Richie, I'm gonna get worse. Cause him used to smoke weed and I thief my money. And him now for thief, all him have to do a axe feet and see it now, see him there. Big man him turn now when him look back on them something, him say my father. You know say all of them something I want me to do, me never have to do it. One at a time I tell me say one clock so we go to school. So I say look in your shoes, where your shoes name. When Cartel goes to mama sing clocks, the boy have how much clocks, the boy all put clock. Remember Cartel say put it in the fridge cool here where you have. The boy put clocks in the fridge. I say I kill you, I kill you. How you want me there, man? Where you do, man? What clocks are doing in the fridge, boy? Take all the clocks out of the fridge. First me hear the news there. Boy, I put clocks in the fridge, man. Now you hear me I tell him, man. But I'm proud of him. Tell him this enough time. Proud of him I go on. Enough time him do some things I mean I like, but I'm a pitney, you know. I can't do nothing more than love him. I'm gonna make him one mistake. Cause remember, me I try to tell him about some mistake what me did make, but him have to make few mistake them. Just like how me say I have to make fear one mistake. Yeah, man, you can't give up on your youth, them, man. You're mad, man. Send your youth to juvenile center, your youth are going to get worse. Me, I tell you no. People at Jamaica, do not send your pitney go to no juvenile center. Because you have some other juvenile where they will stab people and kill people already, burn up people with acid, all kind of wickedness them do. And your youth just run with 2 times. Your daughter just a rush to get big. I do some little minor thing. You hear me say, man? Just nobody give up on your youth. Don't give up on your youth. Especially when you have a daughter, you say your daughter bad. And you know, they must say your daughter shame you because your daughter go on like she a whore and them something. They listen to me, man, your daughter. She'll make some mistake, but she'll go learn. Don't give up on your youth, them. Don't give up on your youth, them. Don't come talk. Don't do like some father. Why you think some crosses that reach some father, boy? How them youth? How them treat them youth, regardless of what you have to remember, say you're a pitney. You have to remember, say you're a youth. Don't you ever forget, say you're a youth. Alright, look on it. And my daughter closer to 30 now, you know.
Oh my God.
You know why you hear that he? You must feel like when I was 18 this. You remember when I was 9 and 10? And time to get big and turn woman. Remember when time you turn 18 you talk about I'm an adult now. You remember when I said that? I'm an adult now. You beg so you turn adult now. You beg so you turn adult here now. Because you have responsibility now. You have bills. You never know, so you don't ever pay bills in life. You think that me I pay for bill. Done idiot. Now I see you. Well, like you know I hear to show. Right now, I'm glad. Sometimes I'm sad and sometimes I'm glad. Because I remember, I'm like a pitney. I used to go in a children's place. Remember when I go to New York and I go in a children's place and I buy things 6 and 7, age 8 and 9 or 9 and 10. And them something them you start buy in a children's place. I say how they rotted this. And I go in a Gap. And I go in a Gap. And I buy big things for my little daughter. See it there? Right now? Shall use her shipping something now. Ideas done. See it there? Remember when I watch Peely from Peely at 3. Peely at 13 this year. Just think about that. You remember when Peely used to tell you, say she had a big thing and we had a little thing. And look on Peely now. At Excelsior Peely I go right now. Excelsior, I'm not talking about Excelsior water crackers. Remember, just remember little Peely. Want to sit on the internet and fall in love with Peely. Remember that Peely there? She had 13 this year. Okay. Right in front of how she grew up. Yeah, man. But I feel good for no say. My dead end of my youth them life, you know. It's a good feeling. Because the sacrifice what we make for the youth them, I tell you, I have no regret. If I do it all over again, I do it. I have no regret. You can't get youth. Youth is a responsibility, you know. It's a responsibility. It can mold you if you become a better man. Because getting a youth, because I tell enough of this, you never know that, you know. When I say Raz, man, Raz, don't look for your youth, them, the man, and just remember say your grandfather, you can't be grandfather anytime too, man. We're not the same boat, Raz, man. Remember, getting a youth is a responsibility where we have to deal with. Some of we choose to run left with responsibility. And why Mother's Day will always be bigger than Father's Day? Because fathers, enough of them love run left them responsibility. If you think me perfect, me not perfect, but me never run. Me know me do enough things where them not like, but me do more good than bad. Me know me do more good than bad. I'm sure about that. Here this Raz them get a next youth. Raz, where are the show off? Raz, where are the show off for me, man? I show off here, try show off for me, Raz. Thing good, Raz, man. Everything good, Raz. But remember, one time we have to just take time and just look back and remember which part we have come from, you know? Remember one time gone you want to buy all a pair of shoes and you can't buy a pair of shoes because you have to make sure the youth them have shoes for them foot. You need a shoes, you know, because you have to go out to go work if you can buy them a shoes. God, the shoemaker and the shoemaker fix up your shoes. For you can buy them a shoes. Remember say I want to, man. Before we get popular and could and did I go foreign and I buy the thing. Then we have to go Sammy's, man, up a Sammy's, big up Sammy's shoes, man. Anybody will come from Jamaica know about Sammy's shoes. Big up Sammy's shoes, that place before that was PLS before PLS. Because that's how we used to go and buy with daughter shoes. Buy our school shoes, buy our church shoes. Sammy's shoes, man. Everybody know about Sammy's shoes, man. I want to tell you, man. Remember the first time I got to New York, you know. Got Japan, you know. I said I spent 2 weeks in New York, you know. And Sally carry me go Bobby's and Rainbow, you know.